Okay, we are lining up now, going to Langdale Ferry Terminal. Gibson 9. Number 9. Where's number 9? Okay. See, look at that. What is going to Nanaimo?
No, we're just look at that.
Yeah.
I think we're
See, look at that. The
those are the
lineup
one
is
with the
to-
reservation.
No, reservation. Not all of them na mayroong
Oh, but they're going
reservation. Nanaimo always busy.
Oh, that's going to Nanaimo?
Yeah, Nanaimo going
Oh.
to Vancouver Island. So tayo, yeah. Tayo sigurado pasok. Yeah.
There's no lineup.
No lineup for now, so sigurado yan. Yan. Dito na kami sa may Horseshoe Bay Terminal. Hooray! Siya. Good morning, Horseshoe Bay. Okay, magmuna ano kami dito. Magtambay muna for the meantime. Yung ano namin is like
7:30.
7:30 sailing. So,
Wait lang.
tambay-tambay muna kami dito kasi malamig ang magkape-kape. Yun, ang bilis naman yan. Yan may kape kami dito. Yan. Ano yung kape? Di ba kita?
You can't do that.
Yan. Tingnan mo yan. See, sa kabila, ang daming pila na. Ayun. Ano? Yan. Yun sila. Yun ang mga taga going to Nanaimo Station. Oh. See? Okay. Okay. Bye for now, people. Have a good day. We will continue our vlogging later on. Okay. Bye.